Good. See, as a data analyst, everybody guys, as a data analyst, our target is what? We need to analyze the data, and based on the data, we have to prepare reports. This is the first work we need to do it. That means, as a data analyst, everybody guys, as a data analyst, yes, we are receiving data from different sources. The data is called raw data. We are receiving data, technical called as what? Raw data. Yes, done. Once you receive raw data, the next target is what? From the raw data, the first most important concept is you need to go for what? Data cleaning. So you have to go for cleaning. The cleaning step is very, very important for us, guys. First, raw data available. From the raw data, so clean the data. Once you clean the data, then only we can do operation, guys. Here, data cleaning is very, very important step. So what comes under data cleaning? Sometimes your values are missed. Sometimes your values are missed. So technically called as null values. Now question start. Why my values are missed? Right? For example, imagine we are collecting a data, student inquiry data. Guys, observe we are working for what? Some software training institute, and we are collecting what? So students inquiry related data. Imagine the date, okay, date, course name, okay, date, and number of students came, okay, students, and which date, how many students visited. I just want to collect it only this information, and which date, how many students came for inquiry purpose. Imagine, so there is a date called what? I said 16 8 2026. So this is the date, 16th date. How many students came? Imagine 30 students came for inquiry. 17th 08 2026. Imagine on this day 38 students came for inquiry. 18th 08 2026. Imagine this day is some festival, the institute is closed. Okay, institute is closed. Now, do we have any number here? Because the institute is closed. Now, do we have any number here? Yes. Yes. Do we have any number comes here? Because on the day the institute is closed, right? Yes, Jyoti, Mahendra, Samiksha, Kumar, Sugashni. Tell me, do we have any number here? Respond in chat box. Respond in chat box. Because imagine 18th is what? So there is a festival, so institute closed. If institute closed, we don't have any number, right? Now I can't mention 0 also. We can't give 0 also. There is no option, nothing. There is no value. Imagine 19th, again we open the institute, and 19, 20, 26 student came for inquiry. How many students came in the sense? Imagine 52 students came for inquiry. Done, right? And 20, 08, 2026. Imagine on the day, so we have what? Imagine we said 42 students, okay? Yes. And 28 0 2026. Imagine, so what? 250 students. The students are what? 250 students. 21 08 2026. Imagine this day is election, so there is no student at all, there is no value at all, right? 22nd 08 20, I mean 08 2026. Imagine we have a data of what? Now 36 students, right? And here I have one more data, 08 2026. The number of students are 38. Let's imagine I want to do analysis on what? How many students visited day wise. Day wise, how many students are visited to our institute. This is the data I have to, I want to do analysis. Now I just received data like this one. Now observe clearly your data. Is your data is clean data? Observe and tell me, does your data is clean data?
No.
No, right? Here, do we have duplicate records? In this data, do we have duplicate data? Check and tell me. Yes, guys. Do we have any duplicate data? Yes. So observe there is a record called 17.8. The same record one more time inserted. Now technically it is called as what? So it is a duplicate record. So my data is what? It is not a, actually it is a data. Technically it is called as what? Raw data. Technically it is called as what? Raw data. This data contains some duplicate. So same data repeated one more time. So we'll call as what? Duplicate data. Done. Next one. Um, do we have any missing values? Missing value in the sense, if the value not available, if value not available, we'll call missing value. Do we have any missing values?
Yes.
Yes, we have. Very good. So in this table, yes, we have a missing values also available. On 18th, actually there is no value. Technically we will call as a null, no value, right? There is no value. Even 21 also there is no value at all. Now we can say that, sir, there is a missing values available, right? So if no value available, then we can call it as a missing value. Here certain value is missed. Missing values. Done. And observe clearly, uh, all the everyday number of students, does all the values are trustable values, or is there any misleading value? Observe clearly, observe the range clearly. Is it all values are good values, or any misleading value available? Observe. Misleading
Yes.
in the sense, 30 student, day 1 30, day 2 38, day 3 38. Okay. So then we have what? Day 5 42, day last day 36. Observe this value, 250 students. If you observe this value, something, what? There is a red flag available here. Observe all the data, there might be a red flag here. So I can't believe this value, right? So if you clearly focus your values, for example, imagine a student. Let's take an example student. The student marks are, he is getting marks. Last 6 exams we conducted. From the last 6 exams onwards, he will receive marks 45, 52, 40, 48, 50. So like 49 is receiving marks like this. Last what? 6 exam onwards, this is the scoring. Suddenly there is a subject, he got what? 99 marks. And next subject is, he got marks are what? Again 42 marks. Now if you observe clearly all this one, there is something fishing here. 99, because this student capability is what? He never crossed what? So even 55 marks, he never crossed 55 marks also. Suddenly he received 99 marks. How? There might be some phishing here. So there might be some red flag here. Something happened in this area. I can't trust this area. So based on this value, yeah, based on this value, I can't decide what is his average marks. Same pattern. Okay, here what happened, sir? Actually, the student number of students, how many students are we stayed? 30, 38, 38, 42, and 36. The range is between 30 to around 40, 45. 30 to 45 is a range. Suddenly, there is a value called what? 250 came. Means which is not trustable, which is called as a red flag here. So technically, we'll call as what? Technically, we need to call it as an, so outlier. So which is out of the bond, which is out of the bond. That means if you observe in my data, this is my data. So which I received from data warehouse, which I received from data warehouse. So my data contain some duplicate values. My data contain some missing values. My data contain some outliers. So what I have to do? So first of all, I have to clean all this data. Okay, first of all, I have here, guys. Here I just take what? Hardly what? 6 to 10 records only. So, but in real time, we have what? Thousands of records available. Okay, so from that we have to collect and we have to do the analysis. At the time, first step, in order to clear the duplicate values, what I have to do? Am I need to delete entire record? Duplicate means without second that we have to delete the record. Duplicates available, delete the record. So next, identify what? So outlier values. Outlier values also delete the outlier values. And whatever the remaining data available with the help of the remaining data, here the missing values we need to find. Either two options. One is the before day how many students available, before day how many students available, place the same number here. So before the how many students available, anyhow this is we deleted na? So outlier we deleted. Now 42. Before day or next day consider and replace the value. This is the one option we can do it. Otherwise, sir, it's not good. Okay, fine. Then what I have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total I have 5 values available with me. Now your target is what? Based on these 5 values, find average value, means your mean value. Find the mean value. So then replace with what? That mean value. Find the average value and place the average value, guys. Like, we have to clean the data first. Once you clean the data, then only we can do the operations. Without cleaning data, it is very very difficult to perform operations, right? So I'll show you one more data. Guys, first of all, this one clear everyone. In the data cleaning, why we have to do cleaning? Why we have to do cleaning? Sometimes data is good, sometimes, not every time, guys, but most of the time, 95% of the time, you are going to get messy data only, guys. In the real time, you are going to get messy data only. Your most of the time you have to spend in order to clean the data. The visualization all this is easy, but only the data cleaning area you have to spend more time. Now, let me show you one more data. Imagine, yeah. So I have a data like this. Yeah, because this is my data. Uh, Okay. Now, guys, tell me in this data. Now, guys, previous one I explained. Now let's check. In this one, do we have what? Do we have any duplicate values? Here, do we have any duplicate values?
Mm.
Now, Shugashni, yeah.
Yeah.
So your question is correct. When means if we are going for sales, sometimes what we did, freedom sales.
Correct.
Like in Amazon, what happened? Freedom sales or special sales conducted. At the time, number of users hit your website all obviously increased. So that values also we have to remove it, because the hit is not regularly, right? So we can't consider that value. So what happened in data analysis time? They give a separate data called what? Whenever they conducted a special sale, freedom sale, or Dasara sale, like special sales available. So whenever they conducted special sales, what is our target? We have to collect the special sales data separately, and we have to analyze, and we have to do analysis on the special day sales. So if I conducted one more special sale, how many customers may hit our website? That analysis is different. So that analysis is not, that income is not regular income. That hits are not regular hits. So whenever you are doing analysis, our first target is what? You have to separate the data. So the client will give you that information, guys. Whenever you are working with a e-commerce website, the client will give you that type of information. Yeah. Now observe here, I have a data, name, age, city, and salary. So this is our data, guys. Okay. Now observe this data and tell me, is the data is cleaned? Yes, everyone tell me here. So is the data is cleaned?
No.
No, the data is not at all clean, right? Very good. Now tell me, can we directly perform analysis on this? Can we directly perform analysis on this data?
No.
Yes, we can't do the analysis directly, right? We can't do analysis directly. So first target is what? You have to clean the data. If you clean the data, then only we can perform operation. Otherwise, we can't. So data cleaning. I repeat, guys, data cleaning is very, very important for us. Okay, so here always you have to check data cleaning. That is very, very important for us. Once you clean the data, then only we can do operation. Otherwise, we can't do operation. So mostly what we can do, we have to check duplicate records available or not. We have to check missing values available or not. We have to verify that wrong or inconsistent city names or values available or not, invalid values available or not, so data type problems, and then we can go forward your data cleaning. We need to verify all these operations. Yes, invalid data types in the sense sometimes what happen, there is a data type called date available, but the data type might be string type. Even data type is mismatched, then also we can't do any operation. So check all this, clean the data, check all this, clean the data, right? Data cleaning, I repeat, guys, data cleaning is very, very important for us, right? Once you clean the data, then we can do it, guys, right? Sir, what type of analysis I can do it? Okay, data cleaning is done. After data cleaning, what I said, once you done the data cleaning is ready, then we can go for analysis. Then we can go for analysis. Now questions, sir, what type of analysis I can do, right? Imagine there is a scenario. Let's imagine there is a scenario that you are working for Amazon. You are working for Amazon. Now you received what? Like
Hi.
10,000 customers information. Okay. So 10,000 customers orders you received. Okay. I have what? Amazon. Yeah. From your data warehouse. From your data warehouse, Amazon. From Amazon. From Amazon. So we received 10,000 orders information. Yes, like how we have like that, we are receiving 10,000 orders information. Of course, we verify the data and we clean the data. Data cleaning is also done. Then your management is simply asking. So, what your management point of view? They are asking question. They never bother about the data. Let me show you data also. There's some sample data. I'll show you some sample data. Like, so this is some sample data, guys. This is some sample data. Okay. Here we have a lot of information available. Let's observe the columns. Let's check the columns. What are the columns we have? So here we have a columns called date, product, category, sales representative person, city, number of units sold, and price of each unit, and what is the amount. So on which date the transaction is done? So what type of product is it? What category it comes? And who done that sales? The sales representative person. Which city the sales done? So how many units? I mean like quantity. If I say pen drive, how many pen drives you ordered? 3 pen drives, 5, 6, 10, 20. How many pen drives you ordered? What is the cost of each pen drive? So like total amount, how what is your bill amount? Like I have a data, right? So let's observe the cities. How many cities I have? So we have, guys, tell me how many cities I have. Our business running in how many cities? Yes, yes. Observe here and tell me in how many cities our business is running.
Four.
Guys, does the screen is visible? Yeah, good, good. Yes, everyone, once again. Guys, everyone respond in chat box. Otherwise, unmute yourself and you can directly communicate. Okay. See, if you respond, this is data analysis. If you want to become a data analyst, first target is your voice is very, very important. If you didn't open your voice, I mean, if you didn't open your mouth, you didn't become a data analyst, guys. Data analyst main target is what you have to understand. You have to open your mouth because based on your answers only, based on your analysis only, the management will take the decision. Otherwise, management can't take the decisions. Okay. So let's go here. Yeah. So how many cities we have, guys? We have 4 cities. Tell me what are the names of the cities? Yes, what are the names of those cities? Anyone, unmute and you can inform what are the names.
Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai.
Very good, very good. So we have cities called Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, and Mumbai. That means in 4 areas our sales are going on, our business is running. Good. Now observe the sales representative persons. In order to do the sales, we have sales representative persons available. Observe these are the sales representative person. Lakshmi, Leena, Pavana, Sharma, Vamshi, Varun, Veena, Vishnu. These all are our sales team. So these teamwork is what they are doing their sales. Okay, done. Right? And if you go for the category, what type of products we are going to sell? Home needs, laptops, phones. These are the three major areas where we are going to do the sales. Home needs, laptops, and phones. These are the three major areas. Okay, fine. Right? So, and product. So we have a lot of products available. Vivo, OnePlus, Me, Lenovo. So like kitchenware, HP, home improvements, fitness, Dell, Acer, like we have different items also available. Fine, okay. Now your target is what? I have to do analysis on this data. I have to do analysis on this data. Oh, you want to do analysis on the data? Fine, good. So first of all, I gave this entire data to my management. I gave this entire data to my management. My management observe all the data. My management observe all the data. Then questions started. So what questions started for my management? The questions are coming like this. Okay. Yes. My management ask a questions like this one. The question number one. Question number one. What is the question? Which product sells the most? Which product sells the most? Which city gives maximum sales? Which month has highest revenue? And which product are not selling up to now, and who are the repeated customers we have. Which product sells the most, which city gives maximum sales, which month has highest revenue, which products are not selling, and which are who are the repetitive customer, and which sales representative person has done highest sales. Who done highest sales? Who done highest sales? Right? So month wise I want to calculate, year wise I want to calculate, quarter wise I want to calculate. Like my management has lot of questions like this one. My management has lot of questions. Let me observe once again back to the data. Once again back to the data. Sir, this is our data, right? Guys, by seeing this data, can you tell which city we have highest revenue? Observe this data and tell me which city we have highest revenue. Is it possible immediately by seeing this data? By seeing only this data, which city we have highest revenue? By seeing this data, is it possible directly?
No.
No, it is not at all possible directly, right? So by seeing this data, we can't give the response directly. So which city has highest sales? And which city has least sales? Which city has least sales? Is it possible? Which city has least sales? Yes. Respond either in chat box, otherwise unmute guys, everyone. Yes, Gokul. Yes, Jyoti, Krishna Kumar, Mahender, Rakshita, yes, Kumar, Shugashini. So which city highest, which city lowest? No. And of course, okay, let me go for sales representative. Lakshmi, Leena, Pavana, Sharma, Vamsi, Varun, Veena, Vishnu. These all are what? Our sales representative team, right? Now observe the sales representative team. Tell me which person done extraordinary performance. General college days also we identified who is a topper. We appreciate that. Sales team also what happened? Which person done highest sales? The best employee of this month, the best employee of this what quarter, the best employee of this year. I want to do analysis. I want to give that information. The best employee award, the best employee award I want to provide. So tell me guys. So I have what? Lakshmi, Leena, and then what? Pavana, Sharma, Vamshi, Varun, and Veena, Vishnu. These are the employees I have. These are the employees I have. By seeing these employees or by seeing this information, is it possible to say that employee name? First of all, is it possible or not? Tell me.
No, it's
Who is
not possible.
No,
ah,
not possible.
not possible? Actually, possible, but it is very difficult to find by seeing this data. Like we have to take a paper, we have to verify. Lot of hard work is required. Then only we can find that which employee is the best performer of this month, which employee is the best performer of this month, year. Like this, we have to do it. It's a very, very, very difficult. So, so management is regularly asking questions. Once you have a data, then management always want to take the decisions. So based on this data, so they have lot of questions rotated in his mind. So according to the management, their requirement is what they want to find answers. They need what? The business. Management always checking for business. So, as a data analyst, clean the data, analyze the data, and then provide once analyzation provide information from the data. Your main target is what? Provide information from the data. Yes, mainly you are going to what? I mean, we are going to get information call. I mean, in whenever you are working with a data analyst, whenever you're working with a data analyst, generally we are going to hard names like this one. Data. This is quite common word. We are going to heard this word data, and then information. This is a second word we are going to heard. Then based on data and information, so we are going to heard one more word called insight. Insight. This is one more word we are going to heard, right? So based on your insight, what happened? So decision. These flow is important, guys. Based on the data, I repeat, based on the data, as a data analyst has to collect information, and based on the information, as a data analyst has to find insight. So what insight we have in that one? And then based on your insights, data analyst provide insights. He can't take the decisions, guys. I repeat, data analyst can't take the decision. Data analyst can provide insight. Based on that insights, who will take the decisions? The management is going to take the decisions. The management is going to take the decisions. So data, from that information, then insight, then decisions. Now, let me elaborate these words, because whenever you go for data analyst, this is the basic things, guys. Now, for example, data. Sir, what is the data here? For example, I have sales data available, right? Now, this is laptop. Item name is laptop. City is Hyderabad. The cost is 55,000. So, this is called as what? Data. Technically, it is called as what? Data. I have a data, guys. Okay. Now I have what? I have a data. Fine, good. Once we have a data, from the data, what I can identify? So convert this data into information format. How to convert into information format? So simply we can write like this. Laptop sales in Hyderabad 55,000. Laptop sales in Hyderabad is 55,000. Done. So once you done this one, then what I can analyze? I mean, what is the insight we can find? So the insight is Hyderabad is one of the strongest market for the laptops, or weakest market for the laptop. So I can identify so how our business is going in Hyderabad region. Hyderabad is one of the strongest market for laptops. Data available, based on the data, so we prepared information. Based on the information, we have to provide insight. Once your insight is ready, you said that Hyderabad is one of the strongest market for what? Laptops. Then what happened? Your management, now it's a time for management. What management has to take? Sir, okay, here we have very good market for laptops, so why we have to go for what? So small inventory. Let's increase the inventory. Increase laptop inventory or marketing in Hyderabad so that we'll get more profit. As a data analyst, I repeat guys, as a data analyst, your target is, as a data analyst, your target is, observe, data, information, insight. Up to these three is very, very crucial for you. Based on your insight, who will take the decision? Means management will take the decisions, right? So back to here guys, once again I'm repeating all the points, just check it. First, we are receiving raw data. As a data analyst, we are receiving raw data. From the raw data, you have to clean the data. You have to clean the data. What I have to clean? Cleaning means what? The data may contain duplicate records. The data may contain missing values. The data may contain wrong or inconsistent names, invalid values, data type problem. All this problem you have to avoid. Clean. Once your data is clean, then we can go for analysis. Question: why I need to go for analysis? Why I need to go for analysis? The reason is very simple. Why? Because the management, once you have a data, the management has a lot of questions in their mind. Once you have a data, the management has a lot of questions in their mind. So by seeing this just data, we can't solve all the things, all the question. We can't give answers for all those questions. That's the reason. That's the reason data analyst came into the picture. What data analyst will do? Mainly, what are the data available? The data they have to convert into information format. From the information, they have to find insights. Once insights are ready, then management is going to take the decisions based on your insights. Okay, I already opened one database. Let's back to the database. Guys, first of all, before going to that, guys, is it clear up to now? Everyone, guys, is it clear? Everyone up to now?
Yes.
Respond in chat box.
Yes,
Otherwise,
yes.
unmute. Yeah, fine, good. Yes, Mahinder, what
Yes,
about
sir.
you? Good, Shrugashni. Mahinder, Krishna Kumar. Yes, guys, yes, everyone respond in chat box. Guys, if simply watching the screen, it's like a movie, no use, right? So if you communicate, then only we are going to get the things. Otherwise, no. Communicate. Yes, Gokul, is it clear? Good. Now let's back to our data. What are the data we have? So now our target is, let's back to the our data. I mean, my data is, sir, this is our data, right? If I show this data, it's very difficult to understand. So from this data, I have to prepare a graph, charts. Let's prepare the charts. For example, I prepared one report. I just prepared one report. So what is the report I prepared? So area wise sales information I prepared. So here I have an information called area wise sales information. I prepared one small graph. The graph is what? Area wise sales information. Guys, everyone observe this one. Tell me which area we have highest sales. Observe this graph and tell me which area we have highest sales.
Hyderabad.
Very good.
Hyderabad.
It is very easy, sir. By seeing this one, we can say very easy. But if I give the data, if I give this data, it's very tough to give the information. But if you observe this one, it is very easy. Now tell me, in which area we have very least sales? Yeah, sir,
Delhi.
Delhi.
Delhi. Very good. Sir, Delhi has very least sales. Hyderabad has what? Highest sales, right? So previous, it is very tough to us to give the answer, but now it is very easy to give the answer. Now here I have only one chart. So our management is asking the question. What question they are asking? So the management is asking that. So which products are, which city gives maximum sales? Which city gives maximum sales? Yes, sir. The answer is ready. Now he no need to ask the question. He himself has a question. If they see this graph, it is easy to understand. He can itself what he can decide which city has good sale, which city has less sale. Fine. I have only one report. Now second question. The what? Which person we have sales team available? We have sales team available. Which person is the best employee in our team? Right. So our which product has highest sales? I'm getting revenue. Sir, which product? I mean, what is the contribution of electronic product? What is the contribution of mobiles? What is the contribution of laptops? I want to analyze that. Oh, you want to analyze that? Fine, good. Then what I have to do? Simple analysis. Let me prepare not one, multiple graph. I prepared a graphs like this one. Okay. I just collected only January month information, and based on the January month information, I collected. Observe here month wise Jan. If you observe clearly here, month wise. So this is Jan. So this is February month related. Based on month wise, I am just preparing the graph. Observe. Whenever I select month, automatically what happened? The graphs also automatically change, right? Technically now it's not a single graph, it is a multiple graphs. Technically we'll call it as what? Interactive dashboard. Of course, guys, I need to provide what? On the top headings, we have to provide the background colors. So for this one, some catch up required. Actually, if whoever developed, they are going to develop a view like this one. This is a demo session. You need to mainly understand what main concept. So our previous batches, I mean our previous batch, I explained this one. The same topic I showed to you guys. But this one, coming classes, we are going to do modification. Like what? You prepared, if you go to a five-star hotel, any top level things, food is same. On top, what happened? Extra ketchup comes, right? The decoration item, same way. Decoration, if you give, your dashboard is ready. Anyhow, for our concept, I need what? Concept. That's the reason I'll focus here. Let's select Jan. Sir, Jan month. Now it is called what? Interactive dashboard. Now it is called interactive dashboard. Now let's select Jan. Now observe clearly. Let's everyone observe clearly. This is what? Your sales team report. January month sales team report. Tell me, to whom you will give best employee award? Observe this graph and tell me to whom you will give best employee
Lena.
award. Yes,
Lena.
very good, very good.
Lena.
Lena is the best employee because observe the performance is peak level, top level, super performance compared to all other persons, right? So definitely she belongs to best performer of this month, Jan month, right? And so you can check others and observe this here. This graph, if you observe, so this is belongs to what? Item wise sales. So total I have three categories of items available. So home needs, laptops, phones. Home needs, laptop, phones. These are the three categories of items available. Now your target is, okay, which sales are, I mean, which item has highest sales?
Laptops.
Laptop. Yes, the laptop has highest sale. Here I just mentioned the number, guys. We can convert into percentage format. How much percentage the laptops are contribute overall revenue? How much percentage the phones are contribute? How many percentage the home needs are contribute? That also we can find it. This is only Jan month. Let's go for other month. This is about February month. So now if you observe the February month, next observe the best employee. Now tell me to whom I have to give best employee?
Pavan.
Yes. Pawan has the best employee in Feb month, right? Let's go for another area. Yeah, here also something. Oh no, the sales are always mobile sales, laptop sales are always good. I just want to check, is there any area where, oh, good. Now this month, June month. Observe the June month area. So in June month, the best employee is what? Sir, Vishnu. And if you identify this one, what happened? The sales. Now, which items has highest demand, guys, in June month? Home needs or laptops or phones?
Phone.
So this area is called phone. So it is easy to take the decisions if you have a graph. So based on this graph, your management has to decide that which month, which inventory I have to improve. So in which employee we need to focus, which area we have least sales, where I have to focus, which city I have to focus. So where, I mean, in which area I have to focus so that I will get maximum profit. These are the basic things which we need to focus as a data analyst. as a data analyst, your target is, I repeat guys, as a data analyst, your target is what? Yes, you have to collect the data, analyze the data. Once analysis is done, you need to prepare the reports. You have to prepare the reports. Based on the reports, so we have to convert into dashboard. That to what type of dashboard? Interactive dashboard, not simple dashboard. You have to go for interactive dashboard. Based on interactive dashboard, so your management has to find what? Your insight, and the management is going to take the decisions. The decisions are always important. Which area we have to invest, so which area we have to focus, where to what focus, this everything will take care by what? Your management. So for every company, so this is very very crucial guys. Data analyst person is very very important. Why suddenly data analyst has a huge demand in the market? In the sense, in previously we won't have what much websites. Previous observe guys, if you go for what 5 years back, or 5 years back scenarios, most of the people, they never depends on what? Digital marketings, websites. Most of the people are depending on mouth to talk. Manually they are doing everything, right? Even the competition is also manually, they don't have what? So digital data not available, this much of data not available, data available but not this much of the data. But right now what happened? Right now what happened? See, from your day starting to day ending, your day starting to your day ending, whatever the requirement you have, everything we can finish within our home itself. You no need to go outside also. Even you no need to, for anything you no need to go outside guys. Every task you can finish just sitting in your home. If you have a wi-fi connection, I mean if you have an internet connection, if you have an internet connection on mobile phone available with you, that's enough. Of course guys, in your payment, I mean in your wallet, you should have amount also, then only. So everything we can finish it. Let's say for example, I want to book train ticket. Guys, if I want to book train ticket, do we have any application, any website? Yes, I want to book train ticket. I want to book train ticket. Do we have any website or any app? Yes guys, yes, do we have any app if I want to book train ticket? How many of you know IRCTC? Yes, do you know IRCTC? Respond guys in chat box. Otherwise what? Unmute and you can give the answer. Train ticket booking. Yes, good. By using IRCTC, what I can do? Simply I can book the tickets, right? And for example, I need groceries in my home. Yes, I need groceries. I don't want to go outside. Can you tell me which app I can use? I need groceries. Can you ping me which app I have to use to get groceries? Yes, everyone. Blinkit, Zepto, right? Big Basket. Like we have different apps are available. By using that, as I can sit in my home, I can get all the groceries. And I need a movie tickets. If you want movie tickets, am I need to go to movie theater and what? Stand in a line? Or instead of doing that, I can sit in my home. I can book the tickets, right? Can you tell me which app I have to use to book the movie tickets? For movie tickets, guys. For movie tickets, which app I have to use? Yes, Krishna Kumar, Jyoti, yes, Gokul. For movie tickets, in your mobile phone, we have a lot of apps are available, right? Yes, Sugashini, Rakshita, Mahender. Yeah, we can go for what? Book my show, right? Good. Book my show we can use, and we can book the movie tickets. That means for every operation, whatever you need, sit, place order, and you can get the service, right? That means the backend lot of data is generated. So what I have to do now, I have to collect the data, and I have to do analysis on the data. Collect the data, then do analysis on the data. This is actual work, guys. Collect the data, then do the analysis. So at present, data analyst is a huge demand in the market. See, as a fresher, even as a fresher, generally remaining courses, what happened? Fresher, I mean, experience, there is a differentiation available. But at present, huge demand available for data analyst, so for data analyst, if you are a fresher, if you are freshers, then minimum of minimum 3 lakhs is the starting, guys. Minimum 3 lakhs starting, 3 lakhs to around 6 lpa. Your package is 3 lpa to 6 lpa, guys, as a fresher. In case if you have 2 years of experience, even fresher with certification available, so you're a fresher but certification also available, then definitely your package will increase to what? So certification available, then you are going to get a package of 6 lpa, 6 lpa to around 8 lpa you are going to get if you have good skills. 6 to 8. No, I'm not a fresher. I haven't 2 years of experience available. Imagine you are experienced candidate. So how many years of experience? Sir, you have 2 years of experience. 2+ years of experience. If you have 2+ years of experience, if you have, then we can go for around 5 lpa. 5 lpa to easily you are going to get 12 lpa. Yes, but it depends on what? It depends on what? Your previous package. See, in your experience letter, what is the package you mention? Based on that, you are going to get the payment, guys. 6 lpa to 12 lpa pakka. Depends on you. 30% hike mandatory, but if you show extraordinary skills, then you are going to get huge amount, guys. And if you have more than 2 plus I mean, if you have more than 2 years of experience, more than 2 years of experience, so greater than 2 years of experience, then as a data analyst at present, you are going to get around 8 lpa to, so 18 lpa. Depends on the company, guys. MNC companies, they are ready to go 18 lpa at present, up to greater than 2, I mean 2 to 5 years. Don't think that my again 7 years, 10 years like that. If you have 2 to 5 years of experience, your package will be 8 to 18 lakhs package available at present in the market. So it's all about what? How you are preparing the concept, how well you are participating in the interviews. If you show good skills, definitely you are going to get it. Good package also, guys. And in order to get this one, as if you want to become a data analyst, your target is what? So first one, you need to learn on programming language. It's mandatory. Python for data analyst. Is mandatory. Once it is done, then next target is what? You should be very good in the database. Database is nothing but SQL. Of course, we are going to discuss about this database. Okay. Once it is done, then Excel is very, very important. Right now, most of the companies are using Excel. Still, Excel is always demanded course. Excel always demanded course. Excel, once Excel also good, then you need one what? BI tool is required. Tableau, Power BI, or Looker, like different tools available. But at present, leading in the market is Power BI. If you learn these 4, Python, database, Excel, Power BI. If you learn these 4, and after this one, the most important concept is storytelling. This is very, very crucial for us. Storytelling is very, very crucial for us, guys. So whatever the things you done in above, that is what? 50%. The remaining 50% is what? Storytelling. So if you are able to tell the story based on your reports, then only you are able to enter into company, guys. Otherwise, it's very difficult to enter into company. It is very difficult to sustain in the IT sector as a data analyst. So we are going to focus, okay, we are going to focus all these things, guys. all the concept, repeat all these concepts. I'm going to take care. Whatever the concepts I explain here, all the concept I'm going to take care. And I show you, right? This demo session, that's the reason I just collected what small data, right? So, but once we go for practical, we will collect big data only, and we are going to work on that, right? I am going to take care of everything end to end. And my name is Venkat Reddy. My name is Venkat Reddy, and my qualification is MCM Tech. I'm not in other backgrounds, guys. I'm a CSC background, computer science background only, and I'm a Microsoft certified data analyst person. Microsoft certified person, as well as I have 14 years of experience. I have. So you don't worry about the content. I'm going to take care of. Only one thing I'm expecting from you. So a regular attendance. A regular attendance is required. Second thing is what? So yes, whatever the assignments I gave you, so finish the assignment as early as possible. Then only you will become what? A good data analyst, and you can go for interviews, guys. Starting to ending, our help always available for you. Right? So that's it from my side, guys. If you have any queries, you can ask now. You can unmute or you can ping in chat box if you have any queries. Yes, any questions? Yes, Gokul, Grace, Ipska Singh, Jyoti, Krishna Kumar, Rakshita, Samuel, yes, Sugashini. If you have any questions, you can unmute or you can ping in chat box. For anything, the programming language is very important. Without programming language, your resume is not shortlisted. So tomorrow we are going to start Python directly, guys. We'll start with Python, programming language record Python for data analyst. Python for data analyst. That concept we are going to start from tomorrow onwards. So daily our timings are what? So 9 to 10. Our timings are 9 to 10. Daily I'm going to take session 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Yes. Total duration is 3 months, including projects. 3 months in this 3 months time period, including project, guys. Right? Yeah. Guys, any questions? Any questions?
No, sir.
Good. Yes, yes. Anyone? Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? Fine. So that's it for today, guys, and we'll meet tomorrow, guys. Fine. Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. I'm going to end the session.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, we'll
Thank
meet tomorrow, team. Have a great day, guys.